Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing so well. I know it's crazy at the moment. Please guys, keep your spirits up and let's just keep the momentum going. Very soon we're going to be out. So basically in today's video I will be using honey for like 5 days on my skin. I know that honey is great for the skin and it has a lot of benefits, and moreover it's natural. So a fellow YouTuber actually challenged me to this and this fellow YouTuber, she goes by the name Sharon C. She's an amazing YouTuber. She actually did this challenge and her face was absolutely flawless and her face came out looking like glass, literally so clear, so purified, so nice. And I couldn't really resist. I haven't seen what honey did to Sharon. I was just like, I'm taking this on, darling. Guys, don't hesitate to subscribe to Sharon because she's a great fun. So basically this is the honey that I'll be using on my face today, so I'm really quite excited. I know that honey has like a lot of benefit, like countless benefit, but I don't want to yap too much about the benefits of honey. Let's just ask Mr. or Mrs. Google to tell us what the benefit of honey is on the face. So let me just grab my phone and ask Mrs. Google. Hey Google, what is the benefit of honey on the face, please?
According to Tree Hugger, honey, especially raw or unpasteurized, is a fabulously versatile and all-natural ingredient to use on skin. It's full of antioxidants, which are good for wrinkles and aging skin. It is antibacterial, which helps with acne treatments and prevention.
Oh, thank you so much, Mrs. Gigo. I really do appreciate that. So before I actually dive into this video, if you know that you see me for the first time, I am Gladon. You are welcome to my channel. So on this channel I do like holly, I do skincare, and I do how to style as well. So this is quite a chill and a fun channel to be. So do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So yeah, let's just dive into this video now. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to take off my makeup. Then next I'm going to wash my face, deep clean my face really well. Then let's squirt this thing on. Here comes the honey. Let's come the honey. So I'm just going to literally just squirt that on my face. It's so cold. It's literally so cold. Oh, so sweet. I'm just going to leave the honey to sit on my face for 5 minutes. It's gone, so I'm just going to give my face a good wipe. Let me see how that actually feels. Do you know what? My face feels so silky, like so kind of really soft, but it's too early. I'm going to come back tomorrow and try the same stuff. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. So guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing so well and holding strong still. So basically with my challenge, today is the second day. I'm just going to go ahead and put my honey on my face. So basically what I like doing, I'm just going to quickly give my face a quick wash before I put the honey. So I'm just going to go ahead, wash my face. Yeah, so like Mrs. Honey, yeah, let's just quit you. I think the first day I was very excessive with that, so today I am just literally taking it as slowly as possible. Yeah. is absolutely squeaky. I don't know if you guys can see, it's just legitimately squeaky. It's just like so soft, so tender, and really is nice, so smooth. Really, this honey, there's a miracle in honey. There's a miracle. Mrs. Google, you seem to be right. Have some really nice fun. Square, close my eyes. It's going to go down my nose. So cold. It's so cold. That's literally gross. Okay, let me just rub that in. My God, I want you guys to be the judge. What do you think? Because if I keep literally repeating what I have been saying, it seems like I am not being truthful, but you guys should let me know what you think with this honey. But what I know, what I'm going to say to you guys is that I am definitely buying a tub of honey in my bathroom henceforth. There's going to be one in the kitchen and one in my bathroom, so that sometime before I go and have my shower, I'm definitely squirting something on my face. You know what, honey do taste so yummy. For 5 days I'll be squirting honey on this face, and I'll be licking honey for 5 days like that from my lips. Divine. I'm not going to lie to you guys at all. It's really nice. But one thing I'm going to say to you guys, like, I'm settling buying honey in my bathroom. Look at my face. Come on. Can you not see the squeakiness? Can you not see what I am saying? Like an amazing thing. Oh my goodness, look at those wrinkles. They disappear by the spirit of honey. Yes, I'm quite excited. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm just going to put my vitamin A oil, because God has revealed something marvelous to me. It shall be permanent. This thing I'm seeing on my face, like literally this glow, this plumpness, I can't see that wrinkles. This look in Nigeria, there's a song to this, like, it must be permanent. What the Lord has done for me, it shall be permanent. This look must be permanent. It has to be permanent. Let me just put my vitamin E oil. Thank you so much. Shout out to Sharon for making me do this. I really do appreciate you, girl. Honestly speaking, I really do appreciate you. I'm feeling as if I'm 25 again. It's 20. What do you even mean? 18 again. Yes, I'm feeling like that. So thank you so much, and thank you guys for watching. If you've watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching. You can really see the miracle of honey. So like I've said before, let me know what you think down below. I am certainly buying honey in my bathroom because I'm very satisfied with the achievement I've gotten. Trying to do this for 5 days, it's quite a task, but it really worth it. But what I will say, if I can't actually do it every day, probably like 2 or 3 times a week, I will be doing it, sis. I will be definitely doing it, definitely. So yeah, If you see my face for the first time, I am iGladon. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are not subscribed, this is the channel that we chill and have fun. I do a lot of how to style, hauling, and beauty like this. So if you know you have not subscribed, do subscribe and let's grow this baby channel together. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you, and stay safe. I love you guys. Bye bye.